Check this out. There's some kind of single sideband sprint happening right now. And man, this one guy's pounding in here and he's loud. But he makes a contact and he's off and running. He talks real fast and he'll say, your contact, your frequency. And he's gone. And I find him on every time. He's pouncing all over the place, man. It's the weirdest thing I've ever heard, man. This guy here is pretty loud too. And as you can see, I turn it down to, you know what, man? I'm going to allow myself 14 watts PEP because my power meter error, that's about 12. See what we can do, man. I know they'll never hear me using my little, my SAD-40. Hear that chatter? That's him. That's him. Come on. Settle down, dude. Jesus.
Okay, I'll move. Thanks for telling me.
November 8, November Kilo. Yeah, he's gone. Completes a contact and he's gone. I can't call him. It's not possible. I'm going to pause this.
Tango, K7RI, 196, Tom, Whiskey America. QSL, your frequency, Jeff, thank you.
See? That's him. I can't... There's no way I can fucking possibly work him. It's like, come on, dude. Settle down. Jesus. Godside band fucking contests drive me nuts, man. And people are uncivilized and maniacs and savages, man. Uppity. Just settle down, man.
Tango. November 3.
Here we have sanity.
Romeo show, is that November 2? November 3. AN3RC, hi Roger. WD6T, 249 Days, California. Okay, what was the number, Dave? 249, 249. WD6T, N3RC, number 136, Roger, California. Hey, thanks, your frequency. Thanks, N3RC, spread. Kilo 7, Zulu, Mike.
I don't know what's going on here, man. I'm going to have to bail on this whole thing because I'm confused. If I call CQ Sprint and you come back to me and we work each other, why the hell would you tell me your call, your frequency? If I was calling CQ and you answered me, that's assumed, right? If I call CQ and you come back to me and we work each other and it's my frequency, man. Bye-bye. See ya. My frequency. You don't have to tell me it is. What is this? This is a sprint of control freaks? I'm utterly confused.
4 Lima Tango, Whiskey, 4 Lima Tango, sprint.
November 8, November Kilo.
November 0, Whiskey Alpha. W4 Lima Tango, year number 113, Lima United in Florida, over. Iowa, thanks, Bill, your frequency, bye-bye.
Yeah, boy. I don't understand this. I'm confused. Why are you calling CQ and working one QSO, then giving it up to the next guy and saying, your call, your frequency, bye-bye? Well, I guess that prevents me from working anybody. So let's see, my call, my frequency. Okay. Let's see. My call is to do this. 73 folks wanted to work QRP phone contact, but the you phone weirdos, you made it impossible. I tried.